Here is P at the farmer's market. Let's see how many samples you get to try today. We accept what? Cash, debit.
Another person? Yeah.
Ikaw mag-lead. Lead the way.
Sige, tatong kong papiala. Doon ta sa ano.
Lead the way. No.
Bags.
I know. I'll get pickles when we come back. Asa mo dito or dito? Dito yata doon ang mga prutasan eh.
I'm like, this is guys.
$15 for strawberries. You don't want this?
It's just kind of out.
Puppies! Look at the puppies. No. Ano naman tong sampulan ni mo isa? Ito yung nagsasal ng kangkong, mami, oh. Nag-picture sila.
Ha?
Akin na yung ano ba?
Oo.
Kailan nyo yung lulutuin? Here. Here. Ayaw nyo magkuha niyan?
Papi, gusto ko magsabaw?
Ano rin?
Ayun, no? Isa lang?
Mm.
Green onions, no?
Meron pa doon sa bahay.
Okay.
Come on.
Yun.
Wag na.
Okay.
Ako lang kumakain ng dill, hindi ko kumakain ng dill eh. Tamso, ilagay mo yung basil dito.
Silbaldas. Nawa, uy. One of this two. $8?
They have Japanese potato.
Suma?
No, I don't know how to potato. Thank you. Have a good one. Sweet pea? Sugar sad peas?
Maano ba yan? Maganda yung salad.
It is still citrus season.
You don't take that bean at all?
Excuse me. Mama, are you sure you don't want more strawberries?
No lang ga, wag na kasi baka masisira na.
Okay.
Unless we're going to bring them.
Look, they have those tiny baby ones.
Uh-huh.
Parang nawala na sila ba?
Cherry. Yeah, there's...
Bakit wala na yung mga sampon?
Yeah, wala.
No, it's okay. Tama, zucchini nila. Oh, laki.
Oh, no.
Avocado, mami. Ikaw? Oh, quail eggs. They have quail eggs. Tanaw ang color, oh.
Ano naman yan? Sa itik.
That is American chicken eggs. Pwede magyapon ka mag-try sa pungkan. You can still try.
What gusto ni Lital?
I just want to try. Hello. Hola.
Parang sila to, di ba? Parang sila
Maybe.
to ba? Ano, tamis? Gusto niyo? Ito yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano, small ones, big ones?
Dahil lang, unsa ang opinion ni P?
Isa, papi. What do you think?
Hay consoto, para el sábado.
Papi,
Can I have one,
this is a navel.
Consejo te voy a dar para
papi,
el
can I
sábado.
have one supot? One papi.
That was that.
Ano, mas gusto mo yun kasi dito?
Kuha ka dyan, kuha ka dun.
Okay.
250? I don't know how to choose these.
Yeah. And then, papi, pakilagay mo muna to sa bag.
Baka na.
Okay.
Here's this.
This one?
Yeah.
Which?
Wow. Konti lang, mami. Huwag mong damihan.
Ano? Ano man, ani? Siguro?
Thank you. Okay, wait. Here, move so that they can transact.
Ganun piyang isarado.
Itago mo sana ni mo.
Wala ka na nagawas yun ba?
It's Coachella.
Ito yung nagbibenta, gamit ano. Ano yan?
Kumquats. Oh, lemons. Do you want to try lemon?
Yeah, oh, I love crab.
They have artichokes.
All right, brother. Thank you.
There's a lot of sweet peas. What is that? Junior cookies. I want empanadas.
Is that the small ones, right?
Yeah. Here, let me get the baggies.
Go yogurt. Come on, we gotta go this way. Isang gramo.
Thank you.
I think I have 4 here. You see?
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Have a good
Thank
one,
you.
sir.
Kinuha ko man yung coins ni Papi doon.
Oh, let me get my empanadas. You want chicken? Chicken? You want chicken? Okay. Katong may lasa nga chicken or katong chicken lang ako or duha?
Ano may lasa?
Kanina sila just shredded chicken and then there's like the one that's like Peruvian marinated.
Masakit to, may tomatoes.
Isa, ane?
Oh.
Okay. Okay. One shredded chicken, one pollo saltado, and then one lomo saltado. And then can I have spinach and cheese, please?
Would you like spicy sauce?
Yes, please. Thank you. Have a good one. You do not need another orchid.
I do.
I want to try juice. Wait, I remember this juice. Hello. I think I got juices from here before.
Do you want to buy?
I forgot which one I like.
Which one you try right now?
This one right here.
That's all right. The regular.
Oh, that apple. Here, try.
Saan yun?
That was here. Try the apple.
What is this?
Apple.
Okay, can we get the apple then?
Yeah, a gallon.
Unfortunately, I don't have more small one apple.
No small apple. That's okay.
How much?
That's $20.
But that's not apple, mommy.
Ah, okay.
Stop.
Thank you. You have a pink one at home.
That's not the same one.
Why didn't you get the yellowy ones? Those.
It's a yellow one. Ready. Sa carrots, what the carrots isa lang? They're just like magical.
Yeah, that's what.
There's still there's $2 change. Wait.
Thank you.
And it's 60.
You want to say goodbye to your fans?
Goodbye, my friend.
Can you do that again and never do that again ever in your whole life? That is not your car. This silly man. Goodbye.